Hey, what's going on guys? John here, and today I wanted to do a quick video review for TheraBreath. This is actually a mouthwash that I've been using now for many years, probably going on close to almost, I would say 7 to 8 years now since we made the switch to this particular mouthwash. So I want to talk a little bit about this and why I decided to make the switch to this. For many years, really growing up, I'm now 36. I was using all through my early teens and early 20s, I was using a lot of some of the more popular brands. To give an example, many of these brands were very strong. You know, when you use the mouthwash, you really can tell, you know, it feels like it's working, right? But when I met my wife and we were dating the first, year or two, she would always complain and say things like, your breath smells. And it was like, I would be doing things like using a tongue scraper or trying to eat better, trying to do many of the things that you would think would just help with that, right? I flossed every day, but ultimately I found that the mouthwash just really wasn't cutting it. So as soon as we switched to TheraBreath, we decided to explore a few of these, and this is the one that we kind of landed on and we found to be our favorite one. This particular product, you could buy them in packages of 2. It's a little bit more expensive than some of the competitors, but ultimately it doesn't have a really harsh feeling to it as you're using it, but it still feels effective, right? It doesn't necessarily feel like it's not powerful, but it's not so powerful that you don't want to use it. Overall, of the flavors, I would say probably this one is our favorite. This is the Icy Mint, so we pretty much continuously have been getting this one. Again, you can buy them in smaller bottles. They have these larger bottles like this, and usually you can get these in like 2 packs. If you don't find them available, I have noticed sometimes on Amazon they won't be available. You can find some of the other different flavors, and I have found most of them are pretty much all good. I haven't really had any complaints about using them. But again, the biggest benefit of this has really been the fact that they mentioned there's certain ingredients in here. I'm not even going to try to pronounce this, but they have a guarantee with this is that every product, let me see if I can zoom this in and kind of, for some reason sometimes my camera doesn't focus, but basically every product, I'll just read what it says because for some reason my camera isn't focusing. It says, your satisfaction with every TheraBreath product is guaranteed or your money back. If you're not completely satisfied, please contact us for a refund. And then they kind of go over the story, and they have simple directions here, 30 seconds. I usually just use it once in the morning while I'm showering and then once at night after brushing and flossing. So this has been pretty much a lifesaver for us because I now no longer have bad breath issues. And since we made the switch, it's been a really great product, to really incorporate into our day-to-day lives. So I wanted to do a quick video, give you some feedback on that. If you decide to pick up TheraBreath, there'll actually be a link below. You can grab this, and if you decide to pick it up through my link, I'll earn a small commission, and I definitely appreciate that, and thanks for watching. Hope you found the review helpful.